Well, it's Epcot day here, and we're at Saratoga Springs. We're at the Paddock bus stop. They're doing some pressure washing over there, so I walked a little ways away from the bus stop, but it's about 7:30 in the morning, and we have a bus coming soon, so we're gonna see if we can do some rope dropping at Epcot this morning. Epcot bus. We are the kings and queens of the bus. Nobody on the bus but us. We just got off the bus at 7:53 a.m. The park opens at 9. So we should be among the first people here. Let's see how this works out. Well, at 7:59 we are in the park. We're not in the park. We're through security and we're queued up waiting to tap our magic band to get in. Well, it's 8 a.m. We are through security, but we're not going in yet. I think once we go in, they'll probably queue us up at Spaceship Earth. It's 8:24 and they are arriving to open up the turnstiles. Hello.
Thank you.
It's 8:27 and we're in the park, and they appear to be stopping us up here just before Spaceship Earth. It's 8:40 and they are moving the rope.
And then the train comes back over and we're going to stay on the 3 cars. Okay? So I said to the girl, I said...
So are you on the very front row of this rope drop? Is that how that's working at?
I am.
Okay. That's pretty cool. Well, it's 8:45 now and the rope is gone and the janitors are here. Rope drop. Well, we have made it to test track. We made it to test track. I think they let us in at about 5 minutes of 9, and we're arriving here at test track at 9. Give or take a minute or two on that. Hey, look, there's Paige. This is how the line moves when you're inside the building at rope drop. Much faster than normal. Here we have the Lacey and Casey racing team Number 3 in the grid. Trois, 3. Over here we have the Bill Heather Racing Team. Number 4 in the grid.
Winners.
Chicken dips. Well, after getting to the park an hour early so we could rope drop and immediately walk onto this ride.
It broke.
It has experienced a technical difficulty. So, thanks Disney, that's not magical today.
So once again, thank you.
Looks like the technical difficulty only lasted about 10 minutes. So that's not too bad, but still, I mean, we've been here an hour waiting to rope drop this thing. Okay, we're walking into the design studio now. Yeah, I know. There is design studio number 4. And here's design studio number 3.
Put that at the bottom. All right, pick your vehicle type. This one?
Optimize.
You pick whichever one you want, baby. Let's pick fast. Okay. Draw your line. There you go. Push that. There you go. All right, so let's.
Each one of those changes is changing your power.
I'm very confused. How do I start over? Okay. Is this the front of the
We
car?
already spoke it. Here, let's
I
make
don't know what the front of the car is.
I think that is. Well, no, their truck is the front over there.
Oh,
go like this to make it
Ours
wider.
front is there.
I don't
Nice.
like that.
Engine.
Look, your power's 67. Theirs is 50.
Efficiency. So how about solar drive?
Watch the power. Whenever you change, just watch the power.
Yeah? Okay. So,
Plasma burner.
press that. Okay, go ahead.
Like that.
Here, paint. Okay, good. Okay, that's red.
Heather,
Here, you want
none of that stuff affects power. Just pick one, let's go.
How's that? You want some graphics? Stars, stripes, flames, flowers. Oh wait, oh geez, Mary, that's too fast. Look at that.
Try that. Wait, one of them was 81, that's good.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Look at that. You love that one? All right, let's do the wheels.
I don't know.
What kind of wheels you want?
One of them I gave you 83.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get
Yeah, you want those?
more. Yeah, so 83.
Yeah. Okay.
85. 87.
Do we have really big wheels? Regular size wheels? How's that?
89.
Okay, accessories.
92.
Okay. You think you like that?
Yeah. It ain't about looks, it's about the power number.
Okay. Well,
All right, go through and pick one of those. We only got 23 seconds left though. Yeah, let's do that!
How's y'all's design going?
Go away.
We're finished.
Your thing is gonna win power.
Yeah.
Look at those tires.
Awesome.
And we're gonna win these two. If you're gonna win these two, we're gonna win these two.
Yeah.
That car is cute. That's for sure. I don't know how fast it is, but it's definitely cute.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar. SIM card performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
All right, let's see how our cars do.
Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Not too good.
Scanning SIM car for optimal eco efficiency. Engaging eco scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total environment impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
Okay, so we designed our car only for this part.
Yeah.
Sacrifice everything else for this part. And you?
Displaying power test results. SIM track performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the sim car after you disembark. Please watch your step as you exit, and remember to take all your personal belongings with you.
Okay, so it is 9:34 a.m. and even with about a 10-minute break for the ride having a technical difficulty, we are still done with Test Track and preparing to head over to Soarin'.